Miles Roberts, Chief Executive of DS Smith, and Adrian Marsh, Chief Financial Officer. It's been another strong year with continued momentum. Miles, what do you put that down to?
We're very pleased to have another set of record results. And the fundamental reason is our business model's working. We are winning with our customers. We're growing, our sales are growing strongly on a like-for-like basis. And this has enabled us to continue to invest in the company. And we brought in some other acquisitions, which we're absolutely delighted with, extending our reach into new parts of Europe. And again, the customer reaction to these have been absolutely super. So business model's working and our customers are behind us.
Can you give us some more colour about your performance across Continental Europe?
Well, once again, every region we operate in throughout Europe has been in growth. We're winning in the marketplace. I think of particular note has been the performance of the acquisitions we've made over the last few years. We've acquired into Iberia, we've acquired into Greece, we've acquired into Eastern Europe, we've acquired down into Turkey. And really we're seeing the benefits coming through, not just on the synergies, but how we've been able to support our customers and how they're really growing strongly at the top line as well.
You put a lot of emphasis on your innovation-led offering for customers. In what way is that driving growth?
We believe that the importance of packaging to our customers has never been greater. The relevance of what we do in helping our customers grow their sales, reduce their total costs in what is a very difficult and challenging environment for us. So we focus on technology-led innovation, helping our customers solve their problems, enabling them to grow their sales and reduce their total costs. There's a lot of emphasis there. We're very pleased with the success we've had, but there's an awful lot more to come.
Adrian, you have delivered against your medium-term targets, but how sustainable are your financial returns, particularly in the face of an increasingly uncertain economic environment?
Yeah, last year we had significant volatility on input costs, but we have a strong business model. We had excellent volume growth, the momentum of which has carried forward into this year. We've integrated very well on new acquisitions, and the people, the processes, the way of working that we have gives me a lot of confidence that the excellent performance we've had last year will continue through to this year.
Miles, today you've announced the acquisition of Interstate Resources in the US. Can you give us the reasons for that acquisition?
We all know the success that we've had in Europe. Success that's come from really focusing on our customers and understanding their needs, helping them solve the problems that they have. And we've really shared in the value that's been created. And as a result of those relationships, they've been asking us to help them in new geographies. And the US is a huge market that's changing and developing. So they've asked us, how can you help us there?
And why this business in particular?
Well, we've undertaken a lot of research into the US, a lot of companies there, a lot of customers. And this company really meets the needs that we have to achieve our longer term objectives. And it's cut to the chase. We've liked the people, we like the assets. We think together, working with this company, we can build out from it and build a really successful US business, trying to mirror the success we've enjoyed in Europe.
Adrian, what are the key financials of the deal and how are you funding it?
Whenever we assess any new acquisition, we have a very strict set of financial criteria, and this is no different. It's EPS enhancing immediately. It delivers higher than the group cost of capital in the first full year of ownership. It's margin accretive, hitting our medium-term margin target straight away, and in time it achieves fully our return on average capital employed target, which is a key financial metric for the group. In terms of the financing of the transaction, we're raising £280 million of fresh equity in the stock market. The sellers have wanted to take equity in the business and are receiving $300 million equivalent of shares in DS Smith. and we're raising £400 million of fresh debt.
So Miles, looking at DS Smith as a whole, what's the outlook for the business?
We feel positive. We've had many years of real success, focusing on our customers, focusing on the efficiency, focusing on growing successfully the group, and we're seeing the benefits of that. So the outlook for the current year, and I have to say the medium term as well, is positive. Positive in Europe, and let's really make the US business as well really successful in supporting our customers.
Well, as we've said, it's been another year of continued momentum, plus the entry into a new market. So Miles Roberts and Adrian Marsh, thank you both very much.
Thank you.